so that anybody who's missing can just watch it and get caught up. On my table here, you will see all of the supplies that you're going to need today to do this project. Please feel free to just unmute yourself and ask questions as we go. If I go too fast, because we only have 25 minutes, so I'm just going to keep moving ahead here. And hopefully everything will be revealed in time. So you have two covers for your sketchbook. And we're going to work just the front cover today. So you can put the second piece of cardboard away. The assignment from this week, the doodle, will go on that eventually. So the way this is going to work is you are going to put your name drawing on top of your front cover. And you want to line it up so that your spiral holes are on the left-hand side. If you do it this way, then you'd actually be doing the back cover. Okay, so make sure that however you set your image up, you're looking at it with your left hand, the holes, and then your image would be upright facing you. And then what I do is I flip it over, and you have two choices here. You can either center it, or you can decide like this much is going to roll under and that much is going to roll under. What do I want to show? And I think for my case, centering is going to work pretty well. So you're just going to flip it over, lay it flat on the table like that. And however you want to do this next step is up to you. I just sort of flipped it over and tried to keep it in the same place. You're going to put glue. My glue is old and dry, so I have to really squeeze hard. But you're going to either paint a line of glue or squeeze a bead of glue all the way around your rectangle. Don't get too close to the holes. And I wouldn't put anything in the middle because you're going to see that we're actually going to glue this two more ways. So this is just the first gluing, so you don't need a lot of glue. And then you're going to flip it back over and line it up. I'm going to turn mine over just to make sure. I want to get as close as I can to those little holes, but not cover them. You can see it's wiggling around a little bit on me. And now I'm just going to press it flat. And it's going to take 15 minutes or more to dry. So while it's doing that, I got glue on my table. Hold on. Nobody panic. There we go. So while it's drying, you are going to take your pencil and draw two lines that we're going to use to cut off the corner. I want you to notice that I'm leaving a little bit of space. I'm not drawing the line right up against that corner of the cardboard. I'm leaving about an eighth of an inch on that corner and on that corner. If it's helpful, you can use a ruler or a straight edge or something. The lines don't have to be perfectly straight. So go ahead and draw those two lines. And I'm going to pause here for just a minute so you guys can catch up. So you've got a line to cut off that triangle and a line to cut off that triangle. Questions so far? If you haven't finished this drawing, you can go ahead and still attach it right now. If you haven't started it, I probably wouldn't put it on the cover just yet because it's going to make it harder to get your lines on. But you can follow along with us while we assemble it. And you can assemble the rest of the sketchbook and then later on take it off. That's one of the nice things about these books. So once you've drawn those corners, you're going to cut them off. And again, be careful not to cut too close to that cardboard. Leave a little bit of space so that we can hide the corner of the cardboard. So there. That's what yours should look like. Please tell me if I'm going too fast. So the next step is to just take your paper and press it up against the cardboard, right along that bottom edge, so that it stands upright. That'll get you a nice, tight, even, flat edge. So I haven't folded it over yet. I'm just standing it up. Once I've got it stood up and pressed up against that cardboard, then I'm going to roll it over, roll it down, and crease it. Okay. And you're going to take your glue, and I like to put some glue in that crease. And then close to the two edges. Not on them, because if you put them too close to the edge and then you fold it over, it's going to squirt all over the place. It's going to make a huge mess. And if it does make a mess, that's okay too, because we are going to glue a piece of paper to this, so don't worry too much if you get a mess. And so that's how bookbinders do it when they make handmade books, so that you get a nice, crisp, smooth edge. So depending on how wet your glue is, your glue might pop right back up again, your paper might pop back up, because mine is, like I said, it's old glue. And then you're going to do the same thing on the two ends. So you first take, what I just did was I put my thumb in the corner and I pressed down that teeny bit to make it flat. And now I'm going in and pressing along the edge to get it to stand up. And then I'm going to roll it over and press it flat. And then put some glue. In the crease and close to the edges. Less is more. Roll it over, press it flat. And if your first one popped up, go ahead now and give it, just press it down again, because once the glue starts to air dry a little bit, it will hold better. And then do the same thing for the last edge. First crimp the corner with your finger. Stand it upright. Press it against the edge. I really have to get some WD-40 for my table. Sorry about the squeaks. Oh, I think my phone went. What happened? Sorry, somebody was calling me. There we go. Back in business. All right, last side for me. Press it over, press it flat. All right, that's looking pretty good. My glue is holding. If yours isn't totally flat, don't worry about that, because we have one more step to do, one more glue to add, and it will eventually become flat. So there, if I turn it over, that's what my cover looks like. And it's nice because it hides all of the edges, and then we're going to cover that. So before I go on to the next step, can somebody just shout out if they need more time? All right. Then I'll keep going. So you have a stack of papers. Should be about 20 sheets or so. And you're going to take those papers, tap them all down and make sure that all of your holes line up. If something doesn't line up, you might just have to flip it over to get all the holes to line up. And then you're going to put it on top of your sketchbook. And all of my holes are lining up. Then I'm going to put my second piece on top of that. And that side doesn't line up quite so much. So try flipping it over and see if that works. Yeah, that's better. Sometimes it's just off a teeny bit. And then what you're going to do is take this spiral bind. And I also have to think about this the first time I do it. You are going to put it in one of the ends. And through one of the holes. And then you just twist it. And it will continue on in through each of the holes just naturally. As long as everything's lined up, it will go in just like that. Still twisting. Now you may notice that the spiral is a little bit longer than your books, so you can just trim it. Be careful because it's going to go flying. Oh, straight down. And then your book should look like that. Then there's one more step. So I only want you to do this last step if your cover is 100% done. And that is you're going to glue the first paper to it. So I'm going to draw a line of glue. They call this a bead of glue in paper making and book making. A bead of glue all the way around, not too close to the edge again, so you don't want it to get squished out. And you're going to take this top paper and line it up as best you can with the cover. And then that will hide those edges, and this becomes your first page. And there you have it. It's tempting to want to lay it flat like this to dry, but I would be a little concerned if any extra glue squishes out that it may stick to those papers. Once we've done the doodle, we'll attach the doodle to the last page, and then glue this first paper to it as well. But for today, let's just do this part. And I think, let me see if there's a place for you to submit a picture. Yep. It asks you when you're done to upload a photo of your assembled sketchbook onto the Canvas assignment for today. So there you have it. Any questions? How do we do?
Pretty good.